This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. In the massive wave of the AI revolution, most of the headlines are dominated by trillion-dollar giants. Yet, one much smaller player, SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN, consistently ranks as one of the most searched AI stocks on Google. Why is a company of this size capturing so much investor curiosity? Today, we break down the real story behind SoundHound and why the market is paying such close attention. At its core, SoundHound is a conversational AI company. While other AI tools focus on generating text or images, SoundHound focuses on the voice. Their technology enables natural, fluid speech interaction between humans and machines. By creating an infrastructure layer for voice, they aim to eliminate the need for cumbersome apps or screens, making technology truly invisible and accessible through natural conversation. To achieve this, SoundHound has built a suite of core capabilities that set it apart. This includes advanced speech recognition, natural language understanding, and conversational intelligence. Unlike basic voice commands, their platform is designed for enterprise automation, allowing complex systems to not just hear a user, but to truly understand intent and respond with accuracy in real time. So, why exactly is this stock trending in 2026? There are 6 key pillars driving the narrative: the strategic connection to Nvidia, the unique psychology of affordable AI stocks, massive price volatility that attracts traders, a growing list of real-world businesses utilizing their tech, major enterprise contracts, and the shifting expectations of Wall Street analysts. Perhaps the biggest catalyst for SoundHound's visibility was its historical Nvidia connection. For years, Nvidia's participation in SoundHound's earlier funding rounds served as a major strategic validation, effectively acting as a seal of approval for the company's voice AI technology. However, the landscape changed in February 2025, when Nvidia exited all its positions in SoundHound. Accessibility is a major factor in SoundHound's popularity among retail investors. While many prominent AI stocks are priced too high for the average individual to buy meaningful shares, SoundHound trades at a much more affordable price point. This lower entry cost fuels a speculative belief in its growth potential, the idea that a smaller AI company can achieve more rapid, exponential growth compared to established giants. This high interest comes with massive price volatility. As of March 2026, we've seen the stock cycle through an aggressive start, a massive AI rally peak, a sharp correction, and its current stabilization. This roller coaster movement is a magnet for trader attention, as high volatility drives both significant search traffic and intense investor curiosity. But beyond the stock ticker, the technology is working in the real world. SoundHound is currently deployed in 3 major sectors: automotive AI assistance, where drivers control navigation and vehicle settings via voice; restaurant automation, where AI systems answer calls and take orders; and customer service automation, helping enterprises manage support interactions without human intervention. SoundHound isn't just a concept, it's being used by major restaurant brands including Chipotle, Jersey Mike's, Applebee's, Noodles & Company, and Casey's General Stores. These AI voice systems are automating phone orders to improve accuracy and ensure that even during peak busy hours, every customer is greeted and handled consistently. The ecosystem is expanding through powerful integrations. By partnering with OpenTable for reservations and Toast for point-of-sale systems, SoundHound allows users to book tables or order food directly through voice. This creates a seamless loop where voice assistants can communicate directly with business systems to complete transactions end-to-end. One of the most compelling data points for investors is SoundHound's $1 billion contract backlog. This robust pipeline consists of multi-year enterprise agreements that provide long-term growth visibility. By combining predictable subscription revenue with variable usage-based fees, the backlog signifies strong market validation and a solid foundation for future expansion. The financial results are beginning to reflect this pipeline. Since 2021, revenue growth has been accelerating, growing nearly 8 times in just 4 years. This trajectory shows that the company is successfully moving from the developmental phase into a scaling phase, where adoption is translating into actual top-line results. Looking at the 5-year performance from 2021 to 2025, the trend is clear. Revenue, shown in green, is scaling quickly. While net income and operating cash flow remain in the negative territory due to heavy investment, the gap is narrowing. SoundHound is aggressively moving toward a break-even point as its revenue base finally catches up to its research and development costs. SoundHound's investment scorecard highlights positive factors like revenue growth and enterprise adoption, but profitability remains a challenge amidst competition and stock volatility. Analyst sentiment currently sits at a moderate buy. Most price targets for 2026 range between $9 and $11, contingent upon the company meeting its projected growth. Wall Street believes that future success hinges on 3 key performance drivers: enterprise adoption rates, effective contract execution, and finally achieving true profitability. As of the 13th of March 2026, the SoundHound AI stock price is $7.30. This leads us to the ultimate question for the investor. Is SoundHound AI truly building the essential future infrastructure for conversational AI? Or is it simply a smaller company benefiting from the massive, broader AI hype cycle? The answer lies in how well they can convert their massive backlog into sustained profit. In summary, SoundHound represents a high-growth, but high-risk AI opportunity. The substantial potential is clear, but the dependencies for success are high. The company's critical challenge for the remainder of 2026 is transforming its industry-leading technology and partnerships into a sustainable, profitable business model. Visit AIStocksHub.com for detailed reports on emerging AI companies, offering insights into the dynamic world of AI stock investments.